Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a quick pantry clean and organization video. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for tuning back in. And if you are new here, just let me say, hey girl, hey. Welcome. I am Deanna Marie. I am a wife, mother of one, and a nurse. I upload videos once a week on cleaning, organization, and lifestyle. So if this is your thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Now let's get right into the cleaning.
One thing on my mind, baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah. Bring it down. Come on. Blow that. That's right.
Guys, my kitchen is small and so is my pantry, so you are not gonna see me put anything in until closer to the end of the video. I wasn't able to get any good angles of that. Sorry y'all.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around.